Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get verified on your LinkedIn account. As all we know, LinkedIn account is completely free to verify. Other social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest or Instagram, they will charge payment if you want to get verified. But LinkedIn is completely free if you have a NFC enabled Bangladeshi passport. So I'm going to show you how I have verified my LinkedIn account. So let's see. Let's go to my LinkedIn account. Let's check for my LinkedIn app. Go to LinkedIn app and go to profile. And you will see a verify now button. Click there and verify your identity. So verify with persona, and it will take some moment. Now tick on the agreement box and click on accept and continue. All right, then continue and select your country and then continue. Yes, and continue. And here you can click a picture of your passport where it contains your identity and your photo, or you can upload an image of your passport. I have an image in my gallery, so I'm going to upload that image. So let me check. Yes, I have found my passport image. So they are gonna process it like this, and this is gonna take some time, so let them process it. And here they will give you the information according to your passport, so check it and click on continue if everything is okay. Okay, they are still processing, so let them process it. And once it's done, you're gonna place your mobile on your passport like this and click on continue, and they will scan your passport like this for the chip. And once it's done, they will process it like this. Okay, scanning is done now. Now they will ask for your face verification, and they will tell you to stay steady, move to the left and move to the right. They will scan your face, and when it's done, then boom, you are verified now. And that's how you can get your verification badge. And yes, we are done. And please do like, share and subscribe if you like my video.